Welcome back to the channel. The 1 Dirham coin of the United Arab Emirates is one of the most widely used coins in the Gulf region. For decades, it has been part of the daily life of millions, used for small purchases, transportation fares, and market transactions. The 1998 issue, marked both with the Gregorian year 1998 and the Islamic year 1419, is a fascinating piece of modern numismatics that blends tradition, practicality, and cultural identity. The UAE dirham itself was first introduced in 1973, replacing the Qatari rial and the Dubai rial. It was pegged to the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights but later fixed to the US dollar, giving the currency stability and credibility. Over the years, the dirham became a symbol of the UAE's economic rise, and its coins played a key role in this identity. The 1 Dirham coin is the highest value circulating coin in the UAE's system. Smaller coins such as the 25 fils and 50 fils handle fractions of the dirham, but the 1 Dirham coin is often the most used, making it both familiar and essential in daily life. By 1998, this denomination had already cemented itself as a cornerstone of commerce. One of the most striking things about UAE coins is the presence of dual dating. On the 1998 coin, you will find both the Gregorian year, 1998, and the Islamic Hijri year, 1419. This dual system reflects the nation's embrace of both its Islamic heritage and the modern global economy. It is a way of honoring tradition while also keeping step with international standards. The obverse of the coin features an elegant Arabic inscription. It states United Arab Emirates in Arabic calligraphy, along with the denomination 1 Dirham. This design emphasizes the cultural and linguistic heritage of the country, presented in a formal yet beautiful style that is instantly recognizable. On the reverse side, the coin shows a traditional Arabic coffee pot, or dala. This iconic symbol represents hospitality, generosity, and the cultural traditions of the region. Coffee has long been a central part of Emirati and broader Arab culture, and the dala on the 1 Dirham coin connects the modern currency to timeless traditions. The physical specifications of the 1998 coin are practical and purposeful. It is struck in a copper-nickel alloy, giving it a silvery appearance and ensuring durability in circulation. It measures approximately 24 millimeters in diameter, weighs around 6.4 grams, and has a reeded edge. Its size makes it easy to handle while distinguishing it from smaller denominations. For the everyday resident of the UAE in 1998, the dirham coin was indispensable. Whether buying groceries in a souk, paying for a taxi, or purchasing a cup of karak tea, the coin played a constant role. Its durability meant it could pass through countless hands while still retaining its design and details. From a collector's perspective, the 1998 to 1419 dirham holds special interest because it represents a moment in the late 20th century when the UAE was rapidly expanding. The nation was growing in wealth, infrastructure, and global presence. To hold a 1998 coin today is to hold a piece of that transformative period in Emirati history. The dual dating system also fascinates numismatists. Coins with both Islamic and Gregorian dates are relatively rare in the modern world, and the UAE's commitment to using both calendars gives its coinage a unique and educational quality. It demonstrates how the country blends faith, culture, and practicality into everyday objects. The dala design has been consistent on the dirham for decades, which makes it a unifying symbol for the UAE. For many people, seeing this traditional coffee pot immediately brings to mind family gatherings, hospitality, and cultural pride. In this way, the coin is not just money, it is a cultural ambassador in metal form. By 1998, the UAE had already become a hub of commerce and trade in the Middle East. The 1 Dirham coin, modest in size, reflected the strength of the national economy. Its value, stable thanks to the dollar peg, gave residents and traders confidence in using the currency both locally and internationally. Coins like the 1998 dirham also serve as a teaching tool. Children often first learn about money through small coins, and for Emirati children in the late 1990s, the dirham was often the coin they recognized most. It helped them count, save, and understand value in practical ways. The wear and condition of 1998 coins today vary widely. Some remain sharp and shiny in collections, while others show heavy circulation wear. Each scratch and smooth surface tells the story of countless transactions, perhaps paying for a bus ride in Dubai or a loaf of bread in Abu Dhabi. In this way, every coin carries its own hidden history. Collectors also appreciate the fact that the dirham's design has remained so consistent. Unlike many Western coins that change designs frequently, the UAE has chosen stability. This continuity makes small changes in dates or mint years more significant, as they stand out within a long tradition of familiar imagery. The 1998 to 1419 issue is also a reminder of the UAE's identity at the time. This was a nation still building toward the extraordinary heights it has reached today. Dubai was beginning to emerge as a global city, while Abu Dhabi was consolidating its role as the capital. The Dirham coin circulated in a period of optimism and growth. For many expatriates living in the UAE in 1998, the Dirham became their first experience with local currency. The coffee pot design often struck them as exotic yet elegant, and the dual dating made the coins a memorable keepsake. To this day, former residents often hold on to dirhams as souvenirs of their time in the Emirates. Numismatically, the 1998 coin is not considered rare, as many were produced for circulation. However, high-grade examples, particularly those in mint condition or proof sets, are more valuable to collectors. They offer a clearer view of the detailed Arabic script and the refined design of the dalla. The choice of copper-nickel alloy for the coin reflects a balance between durability and cost. These coins resist tarnishing and can last for decades, making them ideal for circulation in a region where heat and humidity could otherwise wear down softer metals. The fact that many 1998 coins still circulate today is a testament to their strength. Looking at the 1998 dirham now, it serves as more than just money. It is a cultural statement, an economic tool, and a piece of history. For numismatists, it represents a specific year and moment. For ordinary people, it recalls memories of daily life and transactions. The dalla on the reverse also reminds us of the importance of hospitality in Emirati culture. Offering coffee to guests is a tradition that stretches back centuries, and to see it enshrined on the nation's most important coin shows how deeply cultural values are embedded in everyday life. In the wider context of world coinage, the UAE's 1 dirham coin is admired for its simplicity and elegance. While many countries have chosen complex or changing designs, the UAE has stuck with a powerful symbol that speaks for itself. This consistency has made the dirham instantly recognizable worldwide. So the next time you come across a 1 dirham coin dated 1998 to 1419, take a moment to reflect on what it represents. It is not just a small piece of metal, it is a link between tradition and modernity, between culture and economy, between the past and the future of a nation.